Hello everyone, welcome again to Unity 5 beginner tutorials. In this tutorial we'll learn to create a first person character. We'll first create the scene assets, then we'll create a character, and we'll see what are the options that we can play around with that character that we have created. Subsequently we'll create a terrain and we'll see the response of the character in that particular terrain. This is how the UI of the Unity application looks like. So first go to game object and select 3D object, select a cube, and let's select this particular option to increase the size of the cube, and we can just pull around and make a cube bigger. Let's add some more objects like a sphere, raise it. Let's add some cylinder, select the cube, Control C, Control V, and create one more cube. Move it down a bit, and we have a space ready, the scene ready. Now I am assuming that you already have imported the standard assets. Click on standard assets, go to characters, first person character, prefab, and select rigid body FPS and just drag it onto the scene. Now if you click on rigid body FPS controller, you will go closer to the asset that you have created, which in this particular case is the character. Now you'll see the character is sunk into the cube, so you need to raise it a bit, and you need to make sure that the mesh is above cube, and that's it. After doing this, all you need to do is hit play. Now this is the latest version of Unity, and which is version 2007.1.OF3 personal. So in this particular case, all you need to do is create a character and then hit play. So this is the view that you can look from a character. So just move around the mouse and you'll get on, you can see the cube and you can see the cylinder that you have created. Move the arrow, use the arrow keys to move front, back, move the mouse to move left and right, and again the arrow keys to move left and right. Now this is a rigid body character. You can't cross this cylinder, you can go through this cylinder. It basically, the cylinder acts as a rigid body. And let's now find all the script to move around is basically there in the in this particular character is pre-built. So you see this is the second cube, second platform that we had created. So when you click spacebar, you can jump, and you can straight away jump onto this, and you can move forward, turn around, and see this is where you are. And so this is the Unity universe, easy to create a character. And so what happens when you fall off? Well, when you fall off, let's move backwards, and you will keep falling till infinity. Now we're not falling because we are on the second platform. Yeah, so that's where we were standing, and now we'll just keep going down. Click on rigid body FPS controller and you will see the properties associated with this particular asset in the character asset in the inspector window. Just click on movement settings, forward speed, backward speed. You can play around with this speed, jump force, And to have an idea, let's click on click play, and on the fly we can see the changes that we are doing. Okay, press escape to get your cursor back. Now this particular jump is, yeah, you can appreciate now what is the jump that you're getting. Now in case we increase the jump force to double, let's see what happens. Now you have jumped much more. Oh wow, it's a big jump. It's as if you have suddenly reached moon. Again, the forward, backward speed, run speed, everything else you can control from here. Similarly, go to mouse look, play around with these settings, and make your character behave as you want. Now let's create a terrain and see the behavior of the character on a terrain. To create a terrain, go to game object, 3D object, terrain. This is our terrain, and let's add some mountains, some trees, some grass onto it. So we'll just create some, these are the mountains, and click on the trees. Let's select this one, add, and we've got these trees. And let's just smoothen down the mountain. And let's now get our character. Rigid body FPS, over here. Again, click on this. You'll see that it is sunk beneath the mountain. Raise it and simply play. Oh, great. So this is a character on a terrain. You can see the trees, mountains, and other things, and you can jump, and you can use the arrow keys to move around. So what happens when you move down the cliff? Yeah, so you can move down, move up, anywhere you want. You can move on a particular path. You want to go up the mountain, just point towards it, and depending upon the slope, you would be able to make some distance. And again, you can jump over the small obstacles, and that's it. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do remember to subscribe if you like, and leave some comments in case you want something else to be added. Thank you.